Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the Xbox Series S, unplug everything, and wait 10 seconds so capacitors discharge. Put on an ESD strap. Static will ruin the SSD. Don't skip this. Remove the plastic top with a plastic pry tool while keeping gentle, even pressure. You want clips to release, not break. Once the top is off, locate the heatsink and expansion bay. Make room on your workspace for small screws and the NVMe drive. This is where careful hands save headaches later. You proceed by removing the heatsink screws one at a time. Keep them organized. Lift the heatsink slowly. Thermal pads will be attached, then expose the M2 slot. Insert your NVMe expansion card at about 30 degrees, align the notch, then press down until it sits flat and secure it with the mounting screw. Reseat the heatsink so thermal contact is consistent, making sure pads line up. Once everything is screwed back evenly, double-check no cables are pinched and no screws are missing. You finish by replacing the plastic cover and reconnecting power. Boot the console and watch for normal post. Navigate to Settings, System, Storage, then select the new drive and choose Format as Xbox Storage. This prepares files and speed optimization. Make sure profiles and cloud saves sync before moving large games. If the drive is not recognized, power down and recheck seating and screws, confirm the expansion card model is supported, and try a different power cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.